Hey everyone, today I'm doing a video on PyraBank. I normally start off my videos with all the great things, wonderful things. This is one of those. I'm not going to start off with the great things. We're going to go straight into the bad parts of it. If you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Getting a lot of views from non-subscribers. If y'all would subscribe, it would really help my channel grow a little bit more and more people could see. So take the 3 seconds to like and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so PyraBank. Basically, it's a TRX. You hold Pyra, you get dividends, you sell your Pyra. Basically like ETH Gold from what it looks like. It says there's currently 819,000 TRX, which is a good chunk of it. Tells you the different prices of everything. And basically you're minting Pyra tokens. So you can buy it and sell. There's a huge price difference, 15%. 15 entry fee and exit fees are deducted directly from your purchase. The sales fees will only be distributed if you actually sell your tokens. The number of tokens you will receive for your TRX does not include the fees. It is an estimate. And I'm assuming it'll have your transaction history right here. So, if you go up here to TRX, dApps, and that's PyraBank TRX. It says how to play the smart contract, leaderboard. We'll hit leaderboard and how to play. I already have the contract pulled up. So they have a whole university how to play thing if you want to watch through the videos. Here's obviously this person just got in, but here's all the TRX they've entered, how much in divs they've have. Completely go through the leaderboard. So I'm assuming it shows the top 20. Looks you gotta have over 30,000 in here to be the top 20. Well, there's 300,000. Let's look at this real quick. So there's 300, 305, 385, 460, 535, 6. Well, that just doesn't make sense. Because it looks to be over 819,000 just sitting right there. I don't know how the leaderboard works. No clue how this is working out. 711 people, or 771 playing. Alright, so here's the contract. This is where you really want to do your research at. So, like I said, it had 819,000 TRX in it. Looking good. I mean, it's not a super active contract, which is probably good. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 transactions a day. Let's scroll down a little bit more. Actually, let's just go to the top. But what I do want to show you, I always check the TRX balance because it'll tell you over time. And here's what you get. So, I mean, this was December 20th, 2019. It had 3.5 million TRX, and it's just been on a steady decline. So, this one, if I was recommending it to anybody that asked me, I'd say don't get in. It's just declining more and more over time. So you can see it's on a downhill. That being said, we're 8 months into this decline, so it is going to take it some time. So this is PyraBank. With all of that being said, I think I am going to actually put in 1,000 TRX. Let's see, how much is 1,000 at this point? 20 bucks. Yeah, it was that one. Right? No, that's the leaderboard. Yeah, so let's, that would give me almost 24,000 Pyra. Yeah, let's do it. What can it hurt? I'm willing to risk 20 bucks. See how it goes. Let the transaction process. Come on, process the transaction. I will have a link in the description for the referral code. I have no idea. It doesn't say what it does or any of that type of stuff. So that's how much it actually pulled out. So I went from 1,000 to 705. So went from $20 to $14. I do already have 4 Pyra. I'm guessing that's the reinvest button, and then that's the withdrawal. So I'm gonna sit here, I'll hold on to these and see what they do. Like I said before I scrolled up, I do have, I will put the referral code in case some of y'all crazy people want to join me on this one. So if you do, you can use the link below. I don't know what I'll get, what will happen, but yeah, I jumped into it. I'd probably say 99% of the people out there shouldn't get into it. It's way too risky. It's been on a downslope way too long. But I'm willing to risk it for the biscuit. So can't have orange juice without squeezing some oranges. Trying to see if I could come up with any other random cliches. None are coming to mind, so I'll leave y'all right there. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and y'all have a amazing day.